The other challenge that I had was when I had to deliver that first load of product to Whole Foods, I had to find a truck. So I got my truck driver's license. And I finally found the truck, and it was the ugliest, oldest truck I've ever seen. It was worse than a Mexican truck. It had wires sticking out of the dashboard. The seat wouldn't adjust, and it was squeaky when I drove it. So I'm short. I stopped at a hill like this, and I was in the red light. I was the first truck, and there was cars behind me. I realized that my butt was to the back of the seat, and I couldn't reach the frickin' pedals. Now, have you ever sweat so fast because you had in so much agony? I saw a piece of woodblock on the road, and I realized that I had duct taped the mirror, the right mirror that was falling off the truck. So I ran over and I grabbed the duct tape and duct taped the piece of woodblock on my foot, and I drove to Maryland like that. There was a bunch of truckers, and I looked like this. Hey man, how you doing? So I made it to Whole Foods. You know, really the rest is history.